Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Kwikset 138, I'm familiar with it.
Yeah, so I've come to find out we've bought these bits forever, and now they've discontinued them, or I just found out they discontinued them. So I'm looking to buy a whole new bit set: the spade bit, the Faulkner bit, and the hole saw for our jig, and they're all discontinued.
They are. No inventory remaining on the shelf.
Okay. Is there a replacement for them?
Nope.
So what's the option?
Well, three that I can think of. Get the stuff you have sharpened until that runs out. Buy a 138 complete that I have on the shelf. Abandon the Kwikset altogether and buy a new one by Prolock, Major, Bighorn, Schlage, Best. Although the Schlage and the Best, I think, are the Schlage and the Best are the same as the Prolock, I think.
What's the next best one?
Well, all of those are going to be an upgrade to the Kwikset. Well, except the Bighorn. That's going to be entry level. If it would be Prolock is what it would be, or Major. Major has tools that'll do this. And in fact, you could
the Kwikset one that we have, it seems like it's the most user friendly for my guys. Probably liked it.
I mean, yeah, a lot of people who own that kit really love it. The problem is it's over $800, about $805.
Yeah, we paid $380 for ours last time.
For sure. In 1990, I sold them for $162 all day long. I wish I had skids of those.
Right? So I guess my other question is, if I'm not mistaken, isn't a Kwikset, DeWalt, Black & Decker, Porter Cable, they're all the same kind of company?
I am all but positive that's not correct. Kwikset is owned by some company, and that company also owns Baldwin, but I don't think they've got anything to do with Black & Decker or anyone else.
Huh. I thought for some reason they were combined. I think one of the DeWalt bit worked for one of these, but we don't know that. Huh?
I don't know that. No, I don't know. As far as I'm concerned, there has to be something you can find to do that. I mean, a 2 1/8 bimetal hole saw is a 2 1/8 bimetal hole saw. It's just a matter of, finding a multi-spur bit. Well, I mean, yeah, but it's, in the world, I don't keep my finger on the tabs of the tooling manufacturers of the world. But there's got to be an option because Kwikset wasn't making that. They were getting it from someone.
Right. All right. So Prolock's the next best thing.
It's an option. I think Major is the one that I would personally use. Their stuff is extremely robust, and they've got 40 pages worth of tools to do this kind of work. It's not just a 2 1/8 or 1.5 inches and on to the next one. They've got their HIT 44 tool that will do all of that.
It's called HIT 44?
Yeah, it's HIT, a hardware installation tool -44.
Okay.
Those guys over there, they do one thing. They do this kind of hardware. That's all they do. Prolock is good. I've had really great experience. If you do any locksmithing work, you're already familiar with their name. But the Major is the tool.
We're a construction company and we're property management. So we just add deadbolts or to every door we get to. That's what we use it for, pretty much.
Yeah, if it was me in your instance, I would probably buy the 138. Here's why. Your guys are already familiar with it. They know how to use it. They're not going to screw it up. The Major tool does the same work, but it's going to need there's going to need to be an in-service. This is how this tool works.
An in-service, what do you mean?
Someone show them this is how the tool works. These are the knobs.
Oh, okay.
This is where you drill. This is what this piece is for. You know, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, yeah. The 138 is like almost idiot proof. Real close.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's the ritualization of the process. You eliminate the human as much as possible. You got to make one dimension, and if you do that, you're probably good.
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, I appreciate all your knowledge. It's very upsetting, but I'll figure it out somehow. So,
Excellent.
I'm mad at them. I'm mad at them.
Well,
so if you see anybody
yeah,
that rep to them, tell them I'm mad at them.
Yeah, well, I don't really. I can't explain it. They're owned by people who are looking at numbers. I get that. You know, they could have kept it going and raised the price by $200, and people would have still bought it. That's all there is to it.
Yeah, definitely. All right. Well, I appreciate it, and I will make a decision here.
Very good, sir.
Right.
My name is Richard.
Thank
Thank you
you
very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.